Today I'm going to show you guys how I usually do my wavy hairstyle. I don't know how helpful this video can be. I'm going to try to explain everything as best as I can, but I'm also not that great at hairstyling. I kind of just do whatever works for me, so yeah. So whenever I'm doing the retro wavy hairstyle that I always do, I use a flat iron, and the two that I use are this one and this one. So this is a nano titanium by babylisspro flat iron, and it has I think a 0.5 inch plate. It's really small, it's really nice for traveling. It's like the size of my palm. I used to use this a lot when I had shorter hair. I cut my hair around like here in December, and I couldn't really use a flat iron or curling iron, so I used this small one. I'm not going to be using this one just because I don't have bangs or short hair anymore, but I wanted to recommend it just in case anybody else did. This is about $15 from Ulta, and I still sometimes bring this for traveling, so yes, I recommend this. The main flat iron that I use right now is from foxybae, and this is just their 1 inch flat iron. Like the curling wand, this has the rose gold titanium plates, which makes your hair really shiny whenever you use it. It also has the temperature settings on this, so I'm going to set it to 360 today. I'm going to start off with thermal protectant spray, and this one is from joico. I usually don't section off my hair, but today I'm just going to do it for the video. I usually part it a little bit to the side or in the middle, but today I'm just going to keep it in the middle. I'm going to first start out with my folding technique, and what that is just I take probably like 1 inch section of hair, and I start from the root and I go out. Sometimes I go back and forth to make the wave bigger, and then I go in. So this is what it would look like. So that's one, and I basically continue doing that for the rest of my head. For the last section, I'm putting on gloves because this one is a little harder to do. I'm just, I don't know, like clamping my hair, and as I go down, I'm folding it, or not folding it, but I'm moving it and forming it into like an S shape. I'm curling all of my baby hairs in like that. Just like small strands like this. So that they kind of shape my face. And then that is all that I do. Let me fix up. So this is basically the finished hair. I don't really hairspray it or anything. I just leave it as is. My code with foxybae still works. So if you enter in this code right here, then you can get, I think, 60% off the website. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.